Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here, doing something a little bit different today because something really special has turned up. It's not a bike, it's an Aston Martin DB5 Superleggera. Well, I know we usually do bikes, but you've got to have a look at this because something like this don't turn up every day. To be honest, when I see it turn up, I did think the guy was going to get out of this car in a tuxedo and aim a little gun at me or something, you know. This car has had a full restoration. You've got to have a look at how nice this is, every bit. Well, that was the Aston Martin DB5 Superleggera. What a special car. To be honest, I did think the guy was going to get out of the car in a tuxedo, but he didn't, unfortunately. Thought I'd have to show you because, like I say, you don't see something like that every day. And that one particularly, I think, has been in restoration for about 7 years to get it like that. It's absolutely immaculate. I mean, it's probably actually better than when it actually came out. And the guy's brought it out today. And I think it made him happy, just seeing how happy it made everyone else, you know. It's amazing. So as always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Look at all these at a bike shop, look, all over this. James Bond turns up, the police turn up, everyone's here.
Shut up, you idiot!